ways IIoT expands and retains the manufacturing workforce. Embracing the Industrial Internet of Things, or IIoT, in manufacturing is often met with a few common concerns. Fears of disruption, shifting roles and culture, and general change can be enough to halt digital transformation before it begins. But with an aging manufacturing workforce and valuable organizational knowledge at stake, IIoT could be the much-needed advancement for enterprises like yours to draw new talent and retain existing talent. Here's how. IIoT streamlines operations and helps manufacturers avoid unplanned downtime. Limited disruption and clearer visibility into operations can enable leaders to set better defined expectations and help workers better understand the demands of their roles. Implementing IIoT launches a journey toward digital transformation and calls for clear goals to get there. A firm grasp on those goals bodes well for both current and prospective workers, who will gain a better understanding of the enterprise's future. Above all, digital transformation is an exciting strategy to be a part of, providing a key reason IIoT helps to retain and expand the manufacturing workforce. Workers are excited by the role and the future of the enterprise. Explore more resources about expanding and retaining the manufacturing workforce at ptc.com/manufacturing-workforce.